Hello and welcome back to Productive Dragons channel. My name is April and today I got my bargain beads in. So this subscription is a jewelry subscription of making jewelry. It's got 4 different payment types. You can pay for 1 month at $17.95, 3 months for $53.85, 6 months for $107.70, or the whole annual 12 months, $215.40. Free shipping to the U.S. Now, I will say I pay taxes on mine because I live in Tennessee and Bargain Beads is part of Tennessee. So if you are in Tennessee, you will get taxes done. As it always, it's in this little blue thing, and it's always wrapped in a nice tissue paper and then the little bag. Nice little thing. This month's is Relic. Your beads, ancient traditional mix of modern style in this month's collection, patterned after Tibetan days, DZI beads. 2 etched agate stones comprise the focal point, while coordinating gate crystals and glass bead mix with antique copper finish findings to complete the look. And it looks like we've got about 16 items in here, or at least 16 bags. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. Okie dokie. Alright, let's start with this one. And we'll go with, this is a 10.5 inch strand of 6mm glass round beads, teal. Nice. This is a 16 inch strand 4x3mm electroplated Chinese crystal beads, copper topaz. Nice. This is an 8-piece 12mm Chinese crystal fancy round beads, steel peacock. That is nice. Okay. This is a 10-inch strand 8mm green glass rondelle beads. Okay, let's see here. This is... okay. This is a 10-piece 10x5mm round links. Very nice. This is a 1 meter 4mm steel curb chain. This is a 7.5 inch 8mm facet agate round beads. Very pretty. Agate, excuse me. This is 15-piece 8mm bead caps. Let's go with this one. This is a 48-piece 6x4mm matte electroplated Chinese crystal rondelle green iris. Very nice. This is a 40-piece 6mm half matted electroplated glass barrel beads, copper. Interesting. Okay. This is a 24-piece 9x5mm embossed tab spacer beads. Very nice. I like the design. I hope this design's coming up. That's really nice. Okay, this I'm going to have to open up because it's a little hard to see in the plastic. And I'm going to tell you how many. There is 2 sets of embellished triangle toggle clasp, excuse me. There's one. That's pretty. Let's see here. Oops. That'll be interesting to play with. This is a 3-piece 13 by 16 millimeter 3-strand chandelier links. Nice. Alright. Okay. Alright, now we're down to the goodies. This is a 4-piece 16 by 11 ceramic oval beads, which is quite interesting. Let me see if I can pull one of these out. And it's got an interesting, as you see, it's shaped like that. Very nice. Ooh. This is a 39 millimeter chevron pendant. Very nice. And this month we are getting, for those of you who were under the, I don't know if maybe everybody's getting this, but I know that they were doing this because of the fact, normally we only get one, but this time they're giving us 2 because of the fact of the shipping problem that they have for the last 2 months, which was the shipping's hiccup. So instead of express, it went ground. And this, we are getting 2 of these 2 pieces, approximately 38 millimeters. Now I'm going to say this wrong. DZI style agate oval bead, and it is very pretty. And the holes are there, so it would go like so. Those are very pretty. So the metal used is highly quality lead-free pewter alloyed with antique copper finish. The agate is permanently dyed and heat treated. And all of this, let's get it all in here. There we go. Is approximate total retail value of your shipment is $54. As I said, I love this company. I have no qualms whatsoever. This is a very, very nice stuff. So, you know, if you like to jewelry, or if you even want to play, I would really suggest this. You get certain things like the fixtures and some chain, but this is kind of fun. This is really nice, and it actually does well all together. So I would say this is worth the price. This is definitely worth the subscription. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Tell me what was your favorite item in this one this month. I don't know if I'm going to make anything. I really do want to start making stuff with this, but I haven't found the drive to do so. But if I do make something, I will post it on my Instagram at D2Dragon, no vowels in the dragon, and you will see it there. If you have not, please subscribe to the channel. If you do, please hit that notification bell. I post videos every Saturday of my plan with me in my bullet journal for a week. But I get subscriptions like so, and I never know when I get them in, and you'll never know when they're going to be up unless you hit that notification bell. I'm hoping everybody's having a great day. Bye.